assembled here for the public bios examination of Mr. Muhammad Ali. So he is my first PhD candidate. And today we have with us the external examiner, Dr. Anita Mehta from LM College of Pharmacy, Professor and Head, and Dr. KSR Pai, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences. I welcome you, Madam, and I welcome you, sir, for today's bios examination. And I would like to give the brief introduction of both the examiner, one is Madam as well as Sir. Dr. Anita Mehta was the Dean of Dean Zone 1 Gujarat Technological University, that is during 2012 to 2018, and Principal in charge for 2 years. And currently, Madam is serving as a Head and Professor in the Department of Pharmacology in the College of Pharmacy. Madam has total 30 years of teaching experience and vast research experience with over 200 publications and 6 books and 4 chapters. She has guided more than 70 M.Pharm students and 15 PhD students. Her contribution to research have been recognized with 32 awards. So to name a few, she has received the Pharmacy Teacher of the Year Award, that is from Bharati Vidyapita, University, Pune College of Pharmacy. Professor M.L. Karana Memorial Best Poster Award for the year 2012 in AJPS by IPA, and Pharma Innova Award for Best Thesis Research Guide in Pharmacology for PG. That is twice she has received that is 2014 and 2016. In fact, even our thesis was also once shortlisted, but got selected. And also the PhD thesis, that is in 2016, and received Distinguished Service Award in Cardiovascular Science, Medicine and Surgery by International Academy of Cardiovascular Sciences, Winnipeg, Canada. She is a recipient of numerous prestigious research grants of AACT, UGC, DST, and also Gujarat Council of Science and Council on Science and Technology as a principal investigator. She has organized many national and international conferences as a joint organizing secretary. She has also organized 4 state-level symposium and workshop as a convener. She was editor of Journal of Pharmacovigilance and Drug Safety. She is also on editorial board of many journals. She is a reviewer of numerous national and international journals. She has rendered her expertise as a chairperson of scientific committee at state and national and international level conferences. She has served various professional bodies like Board of Studies, Gujarat University, MS University as a member. She is a member of National Board of Accreditation and AACT committee. She is in the Executive Committee of NAC, AACT, PCI and Gujarat Technological University for approval of pharmacy courses. She is also in revising syllabus of B.Pharm, M.Pharm in GTU and other universities, and delivered many lectures in national and international conferences and also even in faculty development program. She was nominated by Honorable Vice Chancellor to visit Canada for 6 weeks under Global International Experience Program. So with this, once again, I welcome you, Madam, to this viva, and I would like to introduction to Dr. Paiso. So completed his post-graduation in pharmacology specialization from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal in 1997, and PhD from Coimbatore University in 2003. And Sir has a total of 24 years of teaching experience and guided 40 PG students and 6 PhD students. Currently, Sir is guiding 4 PhD students. The area of research work is cancer biology, chemical pharmacology, and computer-aided drug design. He has a total of 76 publications to his project, and he has given 68 presentations in various national and international conferences, and he has 6 book chapters and also received several national and international awards. And he has also received recipient of a full resident scholarship award to the Residential School on Medicinal Chemistry 2008, that is Chemistry and Biology and Drug Discovery by Duke University, Madison, USA. And also Sir has received a Good Teacher Award for Excellence in Teaching for the year 2007, 9, 13 and 2016 by Manipal University, and also Distinguished Alumni Award, that is from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal, and also Distinguished Alumni Award from National College of Pharmacy, Shimoga. Sir has completed 14 research projects, including DBT funded projects and also industry sponsored projects, and has filed 2 patents, and is serving as a reviewer and editorial board member for various journals and life member of various professional bodies, and also serving as a US member of Manipal University. And also Sir is currently serving as a quality management representative of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. and Secretary of Cultural Coordination Committee, Manipur, and Chandra. So once again, I welcome you, sir, and also I welcome all the colleagues and also the faculty from other department for this PhD Bios presentation. So now I request Mr. Mohammed Ali to give us, present his research findings.
Good morning, everyone. My PhD topic is evaluation of chemoprotective effect on Morinda citrifolia against anti-cancer drugs in those. My register number is 143. I have completed the PhD work under the guidance of Dr. S. and Morinda. This is the contents introduction for the study, the review of pages, objectives, and methods, research and discussion, and conclusion. Now coming to the introduction, cancer involves a multitude of biochemical and pathophysiological abnormalities caused as a result of various genetic and environmental factors, making it challenging to bring out an effective therapy. It is the most common cause of death secondary to the cardiovascular disease. According to the World Health Organization report, almost 7 lakhs Indians die due to cancer per annum. The enterprise cancer may go up from 9,79,786 to 11,48,757 by 2020. Globally, there will be 23.6 million new cases of cancer this year, estimated by 2030. Now coming to our test sample that is called Morinda citrifolia, commercially it is called noni. It is under the family of Rubiaceae. Traditionally, it is used as a food and medicine for the tropics. Noni contains more than 160 phytoconstituents and more than 127 nutraceuticals, and it is established as a nutraceutical product. Literature reported on noni various health benefits with various pharmacological activities. Here I have mentioned some important phytochemical constituents which are present in noni. We have taken here in this study fresh noni juice and divine noni. Divine noni is the formulation which contains fresh noni juice and the extract of Garcinia gambusia. Divine noni contains some more constituents like benzophilone, such as garcinon, isogarcinon, xanthones, which are proved as a very good antioxidant. This is the labeled composition of divine noni, which contains fibers, sugars, vitamin C, vitamin B1, B2, iron, calcium, etc. Now coming to the need for the study. Radiotherapy and chemotherapy are effective in the treatment of various kinds of cancers. Despite being effective, chemotherapy accompanied by certain severe toxicity such as myelotoxicity, genotoxicity, nephrotoxicity, cardiotoxicity, so on and so on. Therefore, there is a need for the development of an ideal agent who selectively kill the cancer cell and an adjuvant to minimize the toxic effects induced by anti-cancer drugs. Therefore, the current study is designed to evaluate the chemoprotective role of NJ, that is noni juice and divine noni group, by adopting various in vivo and in vitro models. These are the literature review I have mentioned here, which are related to my study. Noni has been done so many studies scientifically, but still not has been done on the chemoprotective mechanism. So that is why we have designed this study to evaluate the chemoprotective mechanism of noni against anti-cancer drug induced toxicity. Now coming to the objectives. We have designed 6 objectives to fulfill the study. First one is to determine the total phenolic and flavonoid content and antioxidant activity of noni. Second one is to evaluate the chemoprotective effect and anti-cancer efficacy of noni using normal as well as cancer cell line by SRT assay. To evaluate the chemoprotective effect of noni against anti-cancer drugs induced toxicity by individual studies. Fourth one, to evaluate the protective effect of noni against anti-cancer drugs induced in cognitive decline by in vivo studies. Fifth one is to evaluate the efficacy of anti-cancer drugs in presence of noni by in vivo studies. Lastly, to evaluate the protective effect of noni against cisplatin-induced cytotoxicity in NIH333 cells by Western blot result. Coming to the method, samples we have taken fresh noni juice and divine noni good was the gift sample of noni biotech private limited, and the standard drug we have taken cisplatin, doxorubicin, cyclophosphamide. These are the various cancer cell line and the normal cell line used for the study, and animal we have used Swiss albino mice for in the study. This is the study plan. This study we have divided into two, in vitro and in vivo. In vitro study we have done in two categories. One is chemoprotective, evaluation of chemoprotective effect of noni on cisplatin and doxorubicin induced toxicity of normal cell line. Another one is anti-cancer efficacy of cisplatin and doxorubicin in presence of noni on cancer cell line. Further, we did the mechanism study, Western blot study, that is chemoprotective effect of noni, mechanism of divine noni by Western blot method. And coming to the in vivo study, there are three categories of study. Evaluate the chemoprotective effect of noni against cisplatin-induced, cisplatin, doxorubicin, cyclophosphamide-induced toxicity. And the second one is to evaluate the protective effect of noni, to evaluate the effect of noni on cisplatin-induced, cisplatin, doxorubicin, cyclophosphamide-induced memory impairment. And lastly, anti-cancer activity of cisplatin, doxorubicin, and cyclophosphamide in presence of noni. So this is the study plan for all these studies. Now coming to the objective number 1, to determine the total phenolic and flavonoid content and antioxidant activity of noni. We did total phenolic content, total flavonoid and antioxidant activity. The methods have been shown here, and the concentration we have used shown here. Now coming to the results and discussion. In this study, we have found higher total phenolic content and flavonoid content in DNZ compared to the NZ. And DNZ showed more antioxidant activity than NZ, maybe because of containing some extra components in divine noni. Now coming to the objective number 2, to determine the chemoprotective effect and anti-cancer efficacy of noni using normal as well as cancer cell lines by SLDSA. This is the standard procedure where assay has been used. Now coming to the results and discussion. The cytotoxic effect of NZ and DNZ, which have done on normal cell line, that is this to be concentration in 0.3 to 10 mg. In this study, they showed least toxicity in normal cell, and this study has been done to select the concentration for chemoprotective study. Cytotoxic effect of CT and DOX on normal cell line. CT and DOX showed dose and time dependent cytotoxicity on normal cell. From here, we have selected the concentration for chemoprotective. Now coming to the chemoprotective study by combining the noni and anti-cancer drugs. In this chemoprotective study, the selected concentration of NZ and DNZ 1.25 and 2.5 for both NZ and DNZ. They protected the normal cells. They protected the normal cells against cisplatin. And NZ 2.5 NZ showed 28% protection against CT 100 micromolar, whereas cell concentration of DNZ 2.5 NZ protect 36% against CT 100 micromolar, this concentration. Now coming to the chemoprotective effect of NZ and DNZ against doxorubicin. Here also we have found protection against the doxorubicin, where NZ 2.5